rental panels are our best seller. A yearly sales volume more than 3,000 square meters in Europe. It is 90 mm in thickness. The panel size half by 1 meter and half by half meter available for your choices. Two sizes are compatible to build up a more flexible size LED screen. C-Lite panels cover wide ranges of pixel pitches, from indoor 2.6 to outdoor 4.81 mm. The handle on the back of module is designed to make sure the safety of modules when we operate on it. The cabinet is made of die-casting aluminum featured with high precision to have a nice, smooth, and seamless LED screen. The faster lock is for securing two panels top and bottom. How to stack the panels? Let us show you step by step. One panel is standing on the floor. Put the other panel above it with leveling up the location pins and secure it with fast locks. After rental use, lower the locks at the left and right on the panel top and lift up the panel, which is 18 kilograms in weight. Have them saved in the flat cases for next time occasions. The cables are more complicated for LED screen. Now let's illustrate how to connect the cables to LED panels. The connectors are located on the back box. The one on the top is for RJ45 cat cable, and the other one at the bottom for power cable. Plug in until you hear the sound of its final position. With power indicator is on to monitor if the power and the signal are working well. There's a programmable waterproof tester machine in our workshop. Set the data by turning on the button. The test details are recorded in the spreadsheet on the door. Open the door and place the panel inside the center machine. Close the door to have it tested. After waterproof test, our engineer holds it outside with water leaking from the panel, front and back, lamps, box and connectors. The panels are soaked totally. Thanks to its high waterproof rate, the panel works fairly well after giving power. Therefore, you don't have to worry your LED screen on the day there's possibility to rain on the big events. IP65 protection grade makes sure all weather applicable. C-Lite panels can be used for events, stage background, conference room, trailer, stadium perimeter LED screen, and so on. Get one for multiple usages. Should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by email manager@chipshow.com.